In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Windows Update error code 8024A008 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Type SFC space / scan now. SOC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, then you need to simply type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD again. Click Run as Administrator. These commands will be posted in the description box below. So copy the commands, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V and hit enter. Wait for the process to be done. So simply wait for this process to be done, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then if you have any third-party antivirus softwares on your Windows 11 you have installed that, try to temporarily disable that. Also your antivirus, the default antivirus of your Windows. And the last thing that we can do is to click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Click on or scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click other troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. Click the run button to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. That will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions. After running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.